There is a technique that can reliably eliminate hiccups, and that simple method is to inhale 3 times in a row. This is a very unusual pattern of breathing, but what it involves is taking a big deep inhale through your nose. Then before you exhale any air, take a second inhale through the nose, however brief that inhale might be, and then a third, even micro or millisecond long inhale through your nose to get that third inhale, and then hold your breath for about 15 to 20 seconds and then slowly exhale. So even though I'm not experiencing any hiccups right now, I will demonstrate the method for eliminating hiccups so that you're all clear on how to do it. Okay, here I go.